If you're still using an old school radio like this in your bathroom, or anywhere else for that matter, you need to give it up. It's time to get on that MPOW, that Bluetooth speaker, the MPOW Armor. This is the MPOW Armor, wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's got power. I purchased this back in 2015. Current price is about $23. It's not waterproof, but it is splash proof. Bluetooth 4.0 technology. Okay, it's got all kind of range and highs and lows and bass and all that good stuff. It's got a 5-watt driver. It's got your base radiator. It's more lightweight and portable. You can even use it as a backup power supply. Get juiced up. So let's go ahead and get a little bit more up close, a little more personal with the MPOW Armor. It's orange and black. It's good looking. There is another color variety, but it's more expensive. You power up, you sync it to your Bluetooth. Now, one interesting thing about this is on your list of Bluetooth devices, this will always or almost always be at the bottom. Why is that? It's because they're the only Bluetooth device I've ever had that's spelled in lowercase, and that puts it at the bottom of your list. Kind of annoying, kind of interesting. So as I give you more of a close-up, more of a walkthrough, this is the design of it. It feels solid. It's got rubber protection, or it's a plasticky rubber protection going all the way around it. You pop this little thing off. You've got an auxiliary in for your 3.5 millimeter, and you've also got where you charge it. And you charge it up with that micro USB. You turn it just a little bit more to the corner, and you're going to see right here we have a power output. And you can use that to take the battery that's on the inside there, charge up your device. That could be handy when you're on the go on the beach and you need a little juice. That right there, if you can see it, that is what's called a base radiator. All the devices like this have that. It's supposed to increase the bass on the front. You've got that 5-watt driver, and it puts out. It's loud. Solid design. Like I said, I've been having this for a little over 3 years, and it's a solid device. It's still working. I mostly keep this in my bathroom, and I would say I charge it maybe once a month. It's powered off, so we can power it back on. We're going to take a walk outside. I'm going to give you a demonstration of the range on this thing. It's got range. If you're using this outside at the pool, picnic, camping, anything like that, walking around, you're not going to lose your connection unless you really get far away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this thing up on the trunk of my car. I'm going to see how far we can walk away. And to do this, we're going to use this is an iPod Touch 4th generation, old school device. And that's how we're going to test it. So let's just back away as we listen to one of my favorite songs, Kids Call the Cops, by Flesh Puppet. You can see how far I'm getting away from this thing, and we're still connected. Watch out for that traffic, Ryan. Okay, we're going to pause here. Wait for some traffic to go by, but wait a minute, the song clip I have is short, so we're going to have to start that over. And after that truck goes by and the song is started, I'm going to make my way across the street. I don't know how many feet this is. Pretty damn far until we finally start losing connection. It starts getting a little shoddy. For only $23, you know this is getting 2 thumbs up. Go ahead and pick one up. You won't regret it. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. If you don't know, I've been doing this since 2006, and I couldn't do it without your support. So please like, subscribe, share. I would really appreciate it.